like it wasn't a thing. I'm gonna push it harder, gonna climb up higher. It's like I just can't miss. I was made for this. I show the world I'm stronger, prove it to 'em I'm a fighter. I can't help but win. I was made for this. I was made for this. I can't help but win, yeah. Just try and stop me. I'm gonna push it harder, gonna climb up higher. It's like I just can't miss. I was made for this. I show the world I'm stronger, prove it to 'em I'm a fighter. I can't help but win. I was made for this. I'm gonna push it harder, gonna climb up higher. It's like I just can't miss. I was made for this. I show the world I'm stronger, prove it to 'em I'm a fighter. I can't help but win, 'cause I was made for this. I was made for this, yeah.
Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right? But it feels so wrong. Got paid but I had to stretch it. Now I'm posted up trying to get it. She like, why you heartless? These hoes won't even get it. I got mad and I wanted to pull man up. If bros on go, don't tempt me. Don't even step with man if you're gonna explain to me why you left me. I was beefing guys that ain't got funds. Your line is slow, don't claim you shot. Dress code black is summer, same tracksuit, yo, man's not hot. Couldn't even book no hotel, told my yeah that I know one spot. Fed on the block, let's relocate if shit gets hot.
Shit, what you saying though, man? I don't hear from you no more, bro. You good? You wanna check on man, fam? Just been on the block, man. Doing my thing. You know how it is, bro.
Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right? But it feels so wrong, yo. Shouted K like yo bro bleach it. At home debating the repercussions, yo fuck that I'm leaving. Ran man down in the daylight, probably like one zoot in the evening. Man always say bro recognize real, really what is the meaning?